All right, in this scenario here, we have a pergola system being mounted on top of a deck, but it's coming in mid-span on the joists of the deck. So the posts are not lined up with each other. We need to have a way to carry the weight of the pergola system at this point where it's resting on the deck. There's a couple of different ways that we can do this. Let's take a look at those. One way we could do this, if this is a lighter pergola system, it's not too much weight or not too long of a span on the deck, is you could double up the joists on each side of that first bay and then add blocking in between where the post is going to sit. That'll give you something to mount the knife plate and the post to and carry the weight of the pergola. If it's a heavier pergola system or a larger span on the deck, this would be the preferred method. You would add a new post directly underneath the upper post, bringing that post to the top of the framing. That gives you something to mount your knife plate to, and the upper post would mount directly on the lower post.